Hello everyone, and welcome to my channel. In today's video, I build a full rose gold, Royal Oak style, automatic skeleton watch. Let's start by removing the dial stems, which are not required. I use a flush cutter tool for doing this. Use a file to smoothen the cuts. Gently place the dial on the movement and push to fit. Now we can start with the hands. First, the hour hand. Check if the hand moves freely. Next, the minutes hand. Check if both hands move without interference. Now the seconds hand. Check again if all three hands do not interfere with each other. Looks good. Now we can start with the watch case. Unscrew all the screws from the case back. Remove the crown and the spacer. Attach the movement to the spacer and gently place the case front on top. Attach the crown to a new stem, insert it into the movement, and measure the excess that needs to be trimmed. Carefully cut the stem. Attach the crown back to the stem and insert it back into the movement. Place the case back and screw it all together. Attach the bracelet and we are finished with the build. Thank you for watching the video. Please like this video and subscribe to my channel.